Hey, what's up guys? I got 2008 SmartCar Fortwo. I'm going to be doing the headlight bulbs. So this one got some LED bulbs off of Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below. First thing you want to do is pull these to open it. Then you just pull this thing up and it'll hang down with that strap. Next thing we're going to do is, this is your headlight bulb here. So it's going to be in towards the back here. There's a little cap. You're just going to pull that off. Just squeeze it and pull. Here's the power for the bulb. You just take that, kind of wiggle it off. That boy is really on there. You just got to keep wiggling this thing so you can get it like that. Whew. All right, now push the retainer in towards the wheel well, pull back, that'll drop down and you can pull your bulb out. And here's one of the new H7s, which is what this thing takes. So you can see it's got that little groove there. So it's gonna go in like that with that groove facing down, go into the hole. And it kind of like locks there a little bit. Now you're gonna pick that retainer clip back up and push it into those little prongs there. And then you're gonna pull it kind of up and it'll lock in. And now our bulb's locked right there. You can see right here, these two little prongs. So you push down towards the wheel well when you're taking it out, and then you come up towards you when you're putting it back in. You put your connector back on like that, and then just push it on, and then your dust cap. And then this just goes over it like that, and you're done.